Good afternoon, students. I hope you are good and fine. So today we are going to complete exercise 3b of chapter 3. Before starting the topic, let's recall some properties of parallelogram. So what is a parallelogram? A quadrilateral in which both pairs of opposite sides, here opposite sides are xz and yz, xy and yw, are parallel. So opposite sides are parallel. These are opposite sides, or these are, for example, these are adjacent sides, these are adjacent sides, or these are parallel sides. So opposite sides are parallel. So xw parallel to yz or xy parallel to wz. These are parallel sides. Second thing is the opposite sides are congruent, equal to length. If they are parallel, they are equal to each other. So yz is equal to, so yz is equal to, so yz equal to xz, and xy is equal to wz. Clear? Second point. Now third point is the opposites angle are equal. X opposite angle to y, so x is equal to z, or y is equal to w. Angle y is equal to angle w. Clear? Last one is two adjacent angle add up to 180. If we are adding two adjacent angle, this sum is 180. Angle y plus z is equal to 180. Same, the angle x plus w is equal to 180. Angle x plus y is equal to 180. Angle w is plus angle z is equal to 180. So these are opposite angles. These are adjacent angles. So next is types of quadrilateral. First is trapezium. One pair of parallel side. They have one pair of parallel side. AB parallel to CD. So AB parallel to CD. And some properties of trapezium are in which sum of it same as a parallelogram. Sum of adjacent angles are 180 degree. For like A plus B plus C is equal to 180. Same, A plus D is equal to 180. This is a very important because these property are used in questions of exercise 3A. Clear? Sum of adjacent angles are 180, like B and C are adjacent angle, A and D are adjacent angle. One pair of sides are parallel. Next is a parallelogram. Parallelogram same, these sides are parallel to each other, they are also equal. Same, these sides are parallel to each other, they are also equal. And last property, sum of adjacent angle is a 180 degree. Next is a rhombus. Rhombus is also a parallelogram with all sides equal. AB parallel to CD and AD parallel to BC, or they are all sides are equal. In parallelogram, pair of two sides are equal, but in rhombus all sides are equal. Next is exercise 3b, question number 3. Question number 1 done, 2 is also done, and question number 3 first part is done. Now question number 3 second part. Find the measure of the x, y, z and w. So in this figure, P and M and OP. So angle N and angle P are opposite angles. These are parallelogram. So one property of parallelogram, opposite angle are equal. So the value of Z is equal, so angle P is equal to angle N. So what is value of N is 75, or what is value of P? Z. So value of Z is equal to 75. Second step is we have to find, or now angle P and O are adjacent, or sum of adjacent angle is 180. So angle P plus angle O is equal to 180. What is value of PZ? Now value of Z is 75, or so how we can write Z plus, what is value of O? X plus 50. x plus 50 is equal to 180. Use the value of y here, you can find the value of x. Same, now we have to find the value of w, or you know what is a linear pair. For example, this is a line, this is a linear pair, so sum of 2 or 3 angles is a 180 degree. Same here, on angle O, this is a linear pair, so x plus 50 plus w is equal to 180. Here put the value of w. Now we have to find the value of w. Using the value of x, you can find the value of w. So the solution of question number 3 second part is here. For example, this is a diagram is given. Okay, first step is the opposites angle are equal, so value of angle n is equal to angle p. Why? Because opposite angle of parallelogram are equal, so value of z is equal to 75. So second, now we have to find the value of p. P is value of p 75. Now we find the value of x. So sum of adjacent angle in parallelogram is 180 degree, so angle p plus angle o is equal to 180. What is value of p is z, what is value of o is here x plus 50. Use the value. Now 75 plus 50, add this, what we get 155. Now when 155 is plus with positive sign, when it comes on right hand side with a negative sign, 180 minus 125, what you get 55. So value of x is a 55. Now we have to find the value of w. This is a linear pair. Okay, sum of these angles is equal to 180. So in triangle XYZ, in triangle POM, angle POM, firstly we have to find the value of m. After that we find the value of w. This is a triangle, or you know, in triangle sum of all angles is equal to 180 degree. So sum of all angle by angle sum property, we can write sum of all angle is equal to 180 degree. So what is value of p? Here z plus x plus y is equal to 180. Using the value of z and x here, you can find the value of y. So in solution, so how you can write angle POM, OMP, MPO is equal to 180. Why? Because angle sum property of triangle. X plus y plus z is equal to 180. Using value of x and z, using value of x and z from here, you can see value of z is 75, value of x is equal to 55. So x is 55, z is 75, adding both we get what we get 130. Now when 130 here minus, so 180 minus 130 is equal to 50 degree. Now we have to find the value of z. Only w is left. This is a linear pair, so this is a linear pair. Yes, this is a linear pair, so x plus 50 plus w is equal to 180. Using the value of x here, so what is value of x is a 55. 55 plus 50, so what is sum of 55 and 50 is a 105, right? Now 105 subtract from here, so what is value of w is equal to 75 degree. In last you will write value of x is 55, value of y is equal to 50, value of w is equal to 75, and value of z is equal to 75. Now next question is question number 3, third part. This is a diagram. Okay, so here you can see q angle and s angle are opposite angle. So in parallelogram, opposite angle of parallelogram are equal, so angle s is equal to angle q. What is value of q is z, what is value of s? 105. So from here value of z is a 105. Clear? So next, these angles are adjacent to each other, angle p and angle q. Angle p and q are adjacent, so sum of p and q are 180 degree. What is value of q? Here z value 105. Using this value, so what you get, by using this value, 180 minus 105, y value of y is 75 degree. Now next is now we have to find value of x. This is a linear pair, you can see here this is a linear pair. So x, or here 105, this is a linear pair. The sum of linear pair is a 180. So x plus 105 is equal to 180, or when you subtract 180 105, but you get x is equal to 75. So value of x 75, y 75, z 105, and w is equal to 75 is the answer. So now next question number 4. Read the statement of question number 4. The perimeter of parallelogram is a 200 centimeter. What is the perimeter of parallelogram? 2 multiply L plus B, length and breadth. This is a parallelogram, this is a length, this is a breadth. 2 length, 2 breadth, so perimeter 2 length plus breadth. So perimeter is given here, or one side is longer than the other by 10 centimeter. Suppose let the one side value x, so second side is 10 centimeter is longer than the one side, or we have to find the value of parallel sides. So this is the solution of question number 4th. The perimeter of parallelogram is given 200 centimeter. Let the length of the shorter side x, or length of longer side y. So according to question, one side is 10 centimeter longer, so larger side is 10 centimeter than the shorter side. So what is the formula of area of parallelogram? 2 into x plus y. Now using the value of x and y here, let's see. 2x plus y is a formula of a perimeter of parallelogram, 200. What is the value of x is x. What is value of y? X plus 10. Using this value here. So by using the value of y, x plus 10, x plus x is equal to 2x. Why? Because 1x plus 1x is equal to 2x. So 2x plus 10. Now next step is now multiply 2. This is a 2. Multiply 2 by 2 first time, 2 2s are 4x, then plus sign, then 2 multiply by 10, 2 10s are 20 is equal to 200. Now here we have to find the value of variable. So 4x plus 20, so here minus 20 on right hand side. It comes on right side with negative sign, opposite sign, you can see. So 200 minus 20 is equal to 180. Now 4 is multiply here, then divide. Now 180 by 4. 2 2 ja 4, 2 9 ja 80. You can do like this, otherwise you can do 4 divide by 180. Okay. So 4 4 ja 16. This is a 20. So 4 5 ja 20. This is the answer. So 45 is the answer. So what is value of x here? 45. So by using the value, so length of one side is 45, value of y is 10 more than, so plus 10, y is equal to 55. So length of sides are 45 and 55. Now question number 5. Read the statement of question number 5. PQRS is a trapezium, and P, what is the value of P? 65. What is value of Q? 115. We have to find the another remaining angles. So angle P is given, angle Q is given. Firstly you write PQRS is a trapezium. First question, in the starting of question we write PQRS is a trapezium, angle P is equal to 65, angle Q is equal to 115 degree. Okay, after that, yes, solution of question number 5 is here. Firstly you write PQRS is a trapezium, value of P and value of Q is given. So sum of, what is a property? One property of trapezium is sum of adjacent angle is 180 degree. So angle P and S are adjacent. Let's see in figure. Let's P and S are trapezium. देखो how you can find these are adjacent angle. These are adjacent angles. So angle P plus S is equal to 180 degree. Right reason here, because sum of adjacent angle is 180 degree in trapezium. But its value of P is 65, angle S as it is 180. Now 65 here minus, so 180 minus 65, you get the answer. Same in case this angle R plus angle Q is equal to 180. Using the value of Q, then you get the value of R. Okay, so you can see here now P plus S is equal to 180. What is value of P? 65. Now subtract this one, you get the value of S. Same here, Q plus R are 180 because they are adjacent angle. So value of R is equal to 180 minus 150, R 65. Now question number 6. Question number 6. Read the statement of question number 6. You have, this is a trapezium. You have to find the value of SPR, angle SPR, SPR or SPQ, SPQ. You can see SPR. This is angle. This is a triangle. So solution of question number 6 is here. Question number 6. Yes, you. This is a triangle. So sum of biangle sum property. Sum 180. How you can write? Angle SPR. Here in angle SPR, a value of P. Second angle PRS. Angle PRS. Next is RSP. RSP. So sum of all three angles is equal to 180 degree. What is SPR? We don't know value. PSR. PSR. So what is value of PSR? 105. What is value of PRS? PRS. PRS means value of R. PRS means you can see here center. What R in center? So value of R here 45. Okay. Now add this one, 105 plus 145. Sum of 105 and 45 is 150. Now 150 is subtracted. 180 minus 150 is 30 degree. So next, in second part, we have to find the value of SPQ. SPQ. Where is SPQ? SPQ. SPQ is here. So you have to find the value of SPQ. SPQ. So you can see these are adjacent angle. These are adjacent angle. So sum of adjacent angle is equal to 180 degree. So SPQ. SPQ or PSR. You can see angle S and P are adjacent angle. So sum of these angle is equal to 180. Q is given here and R is here. So how you can write? Angle SPQ. Angle SPQ. Angle SPQ. Second one is PSR. SPQ and PSR. PSR. Now what is value of SPQ? We don't know value of SPQ. We have to find the value. What is value of PSR? PSR value is 105 degree. So by using this value, SPR 105. Now subtract this one, you get the value of 75 here. Clear? So next one is question number. Now read the statement of question number 7. Now question number 7 is this is a parallelogram. This is a parallelogram is given here. So you have to find the value of QRP. QRP. Where is QRP? QRP. Okay. And RQP. RQP. Firstly see, this is a parallelogram. In parallelogram, sum of adjacent angle is 180 and opposite angles are equal. So the solution of question number 7 is here. You can see this is a diagram is given here. So PQ, firstly you write PQRS is a parallelogram. PQRS is a parallelogram. Or SPR value of SPR is given 30 degree. Or value of QPR is a 45 degree. Okay. So by using the property of parallelogram, sum of adjacent angle is 180 degree. So SPQ and RQP, sum of these angles is equal to 180 degree. Sum of these angles is equal to 180. Why? Because they are adjacent angles. So what is value of P? Value of P 30 plus 45. Their sum is 75. Okay. So you can write here SPQ plus RQPO is equal to 180 degree. Value of SPQ, you can check value of P. P is origin here, 30 plus 45, 75. RPQ. Now 75 subtract, you get the value of RQP. In second part, we have to find the value of angle PQR.